Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the initial concentration of this weak acid is super fast if you look at the equivalence point on the graph. Let's solve this. First, we need to identify the equivalence point where the curve is steepest. Looking at the graph, the vertical section occurs exactly when 5 milliliters of sodium hydroxide have been added. Next, we use the molarity of the base, which is 0.200 molar. Since the acid is monoprotic, the moles of base must equal the moles of acid. Finally, multiply 0.200 m by 5 milliliters and divide by 10 milliliters. This calculation gives 0.100 m. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush, trust the data, and check steps.